Hey there friends, and welcome to this month's Disney News. This month we're going to look at some Disney treasure announcements, a mysterious blue box in Disneyland, new things coming to the parks, and much more. So let's get to it. A bit of drama to start off with. On Tuesday the 7th of May, the Disney Dream on its transatlantic cruise to Europe had to make an unexpected stop. They had spotted a capsized boat in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and had to go investigate to potentially rescue any stranded passengers or crew. Luckily, there was no one on board as the crew were rescued months prior and the catamaran was left adrift in the sea. Wow, what a sight to see if you are on a cruise, huh? But let's stick with Disney Cruise Line for the next two bits of news, and more specifically with the Disney Treasure. Last October, we were treated to a first look at the Haunted Mansion bar on the ship, but on 6th of May, we were treated to a bit more details as part of the Halfway to Halloween celebrations. When plans for the original Haunted Mansion attraction at Disneyland were well underway, celebrated Disney Imagineer Rolly Crump proposed a creative concept for a Museum of the Weird exhibit. As the final design took shape, many of Rolly's initial ideas were realized throughout the attraction. However, a few of his concepts remained in the vault, living on thanks to dedicated fans and Disney historians. One such concept was a mysterious aquarium filled with ghost fish. More than 50 years later, the sketch Rolly developed was referenced by a new generation of Disney Imagineers to create a modern aquarium with ghost fish for the Haunted Mansion Parlour. The Haunted Mansion Parlour's eerie portrait gallery will depict some of the wandering souls that have taken up residence on board the Disney Treasure. But details on decor aren't the only thing that were announced. Portraits inside the Haunted Mansion Parlour will also lend inspiration to a Disney Cruise Line exclusive commemorative mug collection that will debut on board the Disney Treasure. The ceramic mugs will appear to be carved from the worn wooden planks of a ghost ship. These early sketches and models illustrate the first in the series coming to the Disney Treasure, one inspired by the Mariner and the other by the Captain's Bride. But as the inaugural voyage of the Disney Treasure draws near, first setting sail on the 21st of December this year, there has been a sneak peek at the Disney Treasure Castaway Club merch or gifts. Castaway Club members at the silver level will receive an adventuring backpack or sea bag as some call it. Castaway Club members of the gold level will receive the sea bag and a wet dry bag. Castaway Club members at the platinum level will receive the sea bag, wet dry bag, and a beach towel with game packs. And finally, Pearl tier will receive a travel accessory bag to go along with all the other treasures, including the sea bag, wet dry bag, and a beach towel with game packs from the previous levels. Castaway Club statuses increase depending on how many Disney cruises you have been on as a loyalty scheme. But let's head inland now, and after the Q2 earnings call by the Walt Disney Company, a bit more details have come out about the park's expansion across the world. DisneylandForward has been announced for Anaheim, which is a multi-year public planning effort to update Disneyland Resort's land use approvals. On the 15th of May, Bob Iger confirmed that the world of Pandora from Avatar franchise will be one of the new lands, but has also stated, and I quote, "We have just gotten approval from the city of Anaheim for the biggest expansion of Disneyland since we opened DCA in 2001. It's a huge expansion. We haven't been specific about what's going to be in it, except for Avatar." Also, Disneyland Paris had a load of announcements out a good few weeks ago now, and one of the main things to note is the name change of Walt Disney Studios Park to Disney Adventure World. Let me know in the comments what you think about this change. In the middle of May, a strange blue box materialized in the middle of downtown Disney District in California. Then a few days later, the stars of the brand new Doctor Who series paid a visit to Disneyland in their US press tour. Ncuti Gatwa and Millie Gibson posed for photos with the TARDIS before having some fun in the parks. Doctor Who is now available worldwide on Disney Plus on Friday evenings, or in the UK, it is available for streaming at midnight on BBC iPlayer on Saturdays, and then on BBC One on Saturday evenings. Make sure to watch Johnny VR's reviews of each episode after they are streamed. Just a quick interlude from the news to say thank you so much for watching our videos, but don't forget we do Disney Plus videos every week, as well as different Disney inspired videos on Saturdays, which include podcasts, movie facts, news, and Disney park tips. We also vlog our Disney adventures, giving you lots of advice along the way, so make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. You can also join our membership where you will get to watch our videos before anyone else, get some additional content, badges and special emotes. Or you can support us by clicking the super thanks button. We greatly appreciate any and all support from you, but let's get back to some news. This month, media representatives also had a sneak peek into the new Fantasy Springs at Tokyo DisneySea. The park officially opening on 6th of June 2024, and collectively the media had stated it has the best ride in any Disney parks. This ride is the brand new Frozen ride called Anna and Elsa's Frozen Journey. This ride is different to Frozen Ever After, but is still a boat ride which has several reverse drops. It is described as you are the camera filming the story. They have the brand new audio animatronics and has an amazing scenes like Anna being frozen and then coming back to life. Fantasy Springs is split up into Frozen Kingdom, Peter Pan's Neverland, and Rapunzel's Forest, as well as the new Fantasy Springs Hotel, which has a dedicated entrance into that part of the park. Would you like us to do a full in-depth video on Fantasy Springs? Let us know in the comments. Also revealed in Disneyland Paris this month is that the Les Pays des Contes de Fées, or the Land of the Fairies, aka Storybook Canals, is having a bit of a change. When we rode it in January and August, we noticed that some of the scenes didn't really make sense, and they did announce last year that they will be changing some. Well, this month they revealed this concept art for a new Up scene, which from the art will replace the Wizard of Oz scene currently there. Also, Frozen and Winnie the Pooh concepts have been done, and also a behind the scenes of Imagineers building the Winnie the Pooh scene. These will be in place when it reopens this summer. I really hope when they do install this that they will refresh the actual storybook, as it looks extremely dirty. But a long-awaited reimagined attraction has finally got its opening date. Tiana's Bayou adventure will open on the 28th of June. Disney have been teasing us lately with all the new audio animatronics and ride testing going on, but we finally have a date. They have also announced that on opening, the ride will be a virtual queue, but will also be on Genie Plus. It will not be an individual lightning lane. We can't wait to ride this on our next visit to Walt Disney World. Mickey's Not So Scary Party tickets are now on sale. These parties are on selected evenings from the 9th of August to the 31st of October in Magic Kingdom in Disney World. The party starts at 7 PM until midnight, but ticket holders can get access from 4 PM. Or if you're from the UK and you have a 14-day ticket and you buy this party on top of that, you could do a rope drop until midnight, though I don't really recommend that. The Halloween party will have spooky costumes on character meet and greets, as well as additional characters, trick or treat trails, as well as a Halloween specific parade and fireworks show. You can get your tickets from calling the number on screen for UK or Ireland, or you can go to attraction tickets. Tickets start from £134 per adult and £125 for children aged 3 to 9. And last but not least, on the 24th of May in Disney Springs, the Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T drone show began, featuring scenes from Star Wars, Peter Pan, Big Hero 6 and more. This show will light up Disney Springs at night. Located along the waterway in the Disney Springs west side, this drone show lasts just under 10 minutes with 2 shows each evening. This show runs from 24th of May to September 2nd and will be dependent on the weather. But that is it for this month, friends. Make sure to click that subscribe button and join our membership. Don't forget to check these videos out as well as our gaming channel for more Disney inspired content. But until next time.